Welcome to Chili's. Today we'll be making chili from chilies. Now that's a lot of chilies in this intro. No, not really. I mean, we're not making chili from chilies, we're making just chili. Anyway, let's roll, baby. Okay, so to start off, we will need the main chili ingredient, onions. Bet you didn't see that one coming, right? Anyway, it's not the most important one, but we will need 2 medium onions or 1 large one. We will dice it nicely and we will peel 3 cloves of garlic. Great, now we can soften these suckers in a frying pan with a bit of
olive oil.
Throw it in and make it stay there while mixing for a few minutes. Then, when they're soft, they're ready for the garlic. Crush all the garlic into a pan, sizzle them a bit until fragrant, and remove the pan from the heat. Then remove all the garlicky onions from the pan so we can use the same pan for beef. Anyway, now that's eco-friendly. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's continue making food. Now, get 2 pounds of ground beef. I used a pound while filming and used half of everything else, but just follow what I say. Now let the beef brown in the pan on one side, then another. Flip it once it's brown. Now once both sides are brown, just chop that up until you have, well, fried and crispy ground beef. Towards the end, add in the onions with the garlic from before, mix a bit, and then goes the crushed tomatoes. I have these ones homemade with care and love.
You love me?
I can't no more.
But you can use store-bought ones. We'll use 790 grams or 28 ounces of tomatoes. I did definitely use that much. Plus all the leftover tomato sauce I've had on hand. Just don't add ketchup. Then let's add a cup of water with a third of a cube of beef broth. Cows. If you need a bit more water, you can add half a cup or more. Then goes in all the different spices and whatnot. First, add in a teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of flaming hot chili peppers that you have, depending on your heat tolerance. Sorry I didn't use fresh chilies that I dried myself. Don't kill me, chefs.
You fucking donkey!
Please! I used some hot pepper spices with dried sweet bell pepper spice. Good. Now mix everything and add 2 of the most beautiful bay leaves you have. And then let it simmer on low heat and reduce for an hour or even a bit more until it's, well, thickened. If it's too watery, you can leave it for more. Also, I love beans in chili, but I was just lazy to get them. So towards the end would be the time to put the red kidney beans in, washed and drained of course. And now everything is done. Look at that Look at that beauty. Plate it up in a bowl, add in a gulp of sour cream, and garnish with some greens. And now it's time to dig in. That shit is insane. Bussin'. No cap. For real. No, really, this is the best chili I've ever had. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Peace!